so yeah, this area we're going to be putting in a car charger, a 110 outlet. Good morning, everybody out there. It is a beautiful Wednesday. We are here with Frank. Hi, Frank. So we are going to be working on a little bit of a project for next day or two, depending on how long this takes. We are going to be running a generator inlet for the outside. We are going to be running a car charger along with a garage heater and extending a circuit to and from the panel into the garage. Along with that in mind, we are going to be doing some little extra goodies with some lights downstairs. So bear with us. We are getting ready. We are going to have a little bit of fun today trying to figure things out. So let's get at it. Testing something new today. Have it hooked to my hat, so that way you can see things first person view. Don't mind my mess.
I'm gonna do my best to be serious, but you look like you should be playing guitar for Rammstein.
I should. Not gonna lie. With this on here, it looks like I feel like I'm going cross-eyed. All right, so yeah, this area we're going to be putting in a car charger, a 110 outlet, and then right up here, the garage heater. So we're going to be going down to the basement, taking a look at that, figuring out how we're going to get to and from, and then we'll be working on the other things today. So let me see if I got that exploratory wire or not. We'll check the one area, poke out, see where that leads us, and then we'll start running wire. So we'll need to move some of the Christmas decorations
Out of the way of the ductwork, we can avoid this being here and then over.
As long as we could get one place to another, we should be good. We just need to get that hole drilled out.
Yep.
Get our cut-ins ready to go. First person view if you're in a video game. All right, so we know we need to be in that area. What we need to find out is how far over. So we will pick right here. Boop. So we missed out a little bit on what we were doing. We were making sure to have all of our pathways going in to and from, and you guys don't want to see all the cursing that we had to do towards a certain individual, and we just didn't want you to see that. We are a professional company. Yes, we'll go with that. Anyways, what we are doing now is we're getting everything ready to go down into the basement, so that way we can get it pulled across the bulkhead, and that way we can go and get this, and whenever we get a garage heater cut in for up there. We're getting everything ready and gonna go from there. So yeah, that's what we are doing right now. So if you want to go down in the basement, I will get it from here.
Alrighty.
Okay, hold on. A little bit more. Okay, good. And that'll be enough to reach for up there.
You probably go.
I'm judging you now. All in all, Went a little bit smoother than anticipated. And then for viewers, we are going to be putting 3 lights and 3 here. That'll be our next project after we get done with this. And as always, it is important to wear your boot covers inside somebody else's place. So we had a brief intermission, cleaned up, got this all taken care of. Now we are going to be going down to the basement and getting that taken care of next. So bear with me, and I'll see you down in the basement in just a moment. All right, we are currently in the basement, and you're going to watch Frank for a little bit.
One. There we go. All the lights are done.
No problem.
Hey, what is up, guys? So we are done with the one job that we finished off yesterday. Basically what we did is we finished the rest of the scope of work. We got the outlets all put in, we got the breakers all settled up, got everything moved around, generator inlet in, and basically all in all, fine day of work. So we'll see you guys on the next time, and have a good one.